In the shadow-laden valleys of the Himalayas, an impending avalanche lies poised, waiting for the right trigger. An inconspicuous crack, a slight shift, and thousands of tons of snow and ice break free, cascading down with unyielding force. This terrifying spectacle can reach speeds of over 80 miles an hour, demonstrating nature's sheer power and unpredictability. The rush creates a deafening roar, flattening trees and engulfing anything in its path, from serene ski resorts to isolated mountainous trails. Rescuers struggle to respond in time, emphasizing the ephemeral nature of human safety amidst such mighty forces. Avalanches, a chilling reminder of nature's ferocity, showcase how the most beautiful of terrains can mask lethal natural ferocity.